How to use palm fronds for mulch. Many homeowners who live in sunnier climates of the United States, including residents of California and Florida, have palm trees in their yards. After time, the palm fronds will begin to fall from the tree or must be pruned. These homeowners are faced with the dilemma of what to do with these large leaves. Instead of throwing them away, the palm fronds can be used to produce homemade mulch that can be spread over gardens and used to add decorative touches to walkways and flower beds. Things you'll need: chipper or shredder, large terracotta pot, plastic tarp. Shred the palm fronds into 6 to 12-inch pieces. This can be done with the aid of a chipper or shredder. Layer the palm fronds inside a large terracotta pot. Continue until the leaves are exhausted or the pot is completely full. Place a plastic tarp over the pot. The tarp will help protect the palm fronds during the drying process. Allow the palm fronds to remain inside of the pot for 6 months. During this time, the fronds will dry and begin to break down and harden, which will eventually cause them to turn into mulch. Avoid leaving the palm fronds in the pot for longer than 6 months, as this will cause them to decay, which will turn the mulch into compost. Compost will encourage weed growth while mulch is used to suppress weeds. Remove the palm frond mulch from the pot and spread it over your garden or flower beds. The dried fronds will draw moisture away from any weeds found in the area, causing them to die. Tips: warnings. Palm fronds can be mixed with other leaves and grass clippings in order to form mulch as well.